Pokemon card opening of the day, number 141. We got Fusion Strike. Let's see if we can pull that alternate art Gengar. And we do not want to see the color of the code. We want to have a nice little surprise. See if we can get that Gengar. Victini, Electrike, Goomy, Arrokuda, Snubs, Geodude, Sizzlipede, Sandslash, and Kangaskhan non-holographic.